let me simplify something, and if you want to hate me for it, it doesn't matter. I don't give a damn about none of the religions. Ain't none of them worth shit. Okay? Now let me prove it to you. The only thing religion has ever done successfully is divide people. Don't take my word. Look at it your damn self if you can tell yourself the truth. Okay? Religion divides people. There ain't but one God. All of these motherfuckers are serving the same God. Okay? There ain't but one God. Okay? Called by many names. And can't none of these religious motherfuckers get along. Pay attention, goddammit. That's why you got all these different fucking churches, different races, and then in the black community, you got different collections of people claiming they serving God. There ain't but one God. Now let me quote scripture, since that's all. Folks say, why use scripture since you don't believe in religion? I said, because the only thing my people think they know. Okay? Think about this. Okay? If God is our Father, okay? Scripture says, I must be about my Father's business. If you look out the window and you see your Father in a life and death struggle, and God is in a life and death struggle, if you look out the window and see your Father in a life and death struggle, what are you going to do? You're going to go out there
and help him out.
Exactly, okay? As I look through this world, because Scripture says I must be about my Father's business. As I look through this world, I see Satan's children working full-time plus for their daddy. We the children of the Most High are either on vacation or a long ass break with no intentions of bringing our punk asses back to work.
Or furlough. Wait, please. I got it.
Everybody relax and let the elder finish.
Okay, and then Garfield's coming in. Elder Bill. Bill, Elder. Let's bring Garfield in next. For Elder Bill.
I know what I know.
Bill.
So as I was saying, we the children of the Most High are either on vacation or a long break with no intentions of bringing our punk asses back to work. See what I'm saying? As I said, earn your right to breathe. God wakes you up every day. See what I'm saying? Cat told me, he said, New World, I can't live the righteous life, man. It's hard. I said, I ain't got nothing you ain't got. Okay? You and me are the same. The only difference in us is choices. You choose to be a goddamn fool. I choose to live a righteous life. And that's all I'm saying. Any number of choices in the 21st century, in 2017, I'm hoping that we will come into the simple knowledge that the 1 stands for knowledge. The 7 stands for God. To know God is to know yourself. Introduce you to you in 2017 and change this world for the better. Not for me, not for your worthless ass, but for these babies. So now, again, this is what I meant when I said our association with Europeans has not only affected us, it has infected us. Okay? He just intellectually went astray. Okay? Let me drop this from my perspective, since he put it that way. I don't fear God. I love/respect God. Okay? We deal with God like we bitches. You see what I'm saying? We deal with God like God's a bitch. Like we're pimps and God's our hoe. You know, God, give me this. God, you know, bitch better have my money. That's the way we deal with God. You see what I'm saying? That's from fucking with white people. Now, let me go back to what I was saying. I'm going to ask the question. Please don't answer. Okay. Does God tamper with free will?
No.
Okay. Simple. If you choose to be an asshole, ain't that the end of the story? That's all I'm saying. When I told this dumb bitch, mind your fucking business. You see what I'm saying? I was talking to a young soldier. Okay, and I meant what I said. We're so fucked up, God can't help us. If you choose to be an asshole, God doesn't tamper with that. That's what's happening in the black community. You can't even speak to black women. They act like they've lost their fucking minds. Some brothers act the same damn way. You see what I'm saying? I almost had to fight a brother one morning on the train because I said good morning. Now that was truly off the track for me. To have to fight your own people because you said good morning. Now the brother went off the deep end and was standing up me, post up ready to fight. I said, brother, for me to put this thing back on track, and this is what I thought to myself, I don't want to kill my own brother, okay, on public transportation because there's witnesses everywhere. Now I got to go to jail for a damn fool. So what I did was gave him complete control. I said, okay, brother, I'm kind of stupid. Can you help me? He go, what? I said, okay. Please help me understand how my acknowledging your humanity is offensive. He threw his head up to think. You could see the dust flying out of his fucking ears. He hadn't had until the thought so fucking long. Okay? He threw his head back to think for about 10 seconds. He couldn't come up with nothing. He leveled back off and went, fuck you, nigga, and walked off. Now, everybody looking at me like, wow, what happened? And I'm going, hell if I know. Okay? All I knew is if you give a damn fool control, okay, he he doesn't know how to handle it. Hopefully he'll do what he did, but in most cases, they want to spring on you, as they say, or bust your jaw. Okay, but I'm saying this is what the problem is with us. We don't know how to resolve simple situations. As I said, nobody ever taught black folks how to think. They told you what to think, and most of us don't like responsibility. That's why you got all these black babies walking around with no fathers. Okay? And what I want us to do is be responsible in the 21st century. Earn your right to breathe. God has blessed us all to be here this long, and it's not an accident. Please allow me to assure you of this, okay?